video. Today right now we're going to be doing another slime review. So guys, we're going to be reviewing 3 slimes from Slime Express. Let's get started. Alright you guys, the 3 slimes that I got are Orange Popsicle, Milky Base, and Popsicle Pink. This slime was such a good slime. It was a sleigh slime, and when you mixed it, it became a sleigh slime. So this was such a satisfying slime to touch, and now let's touch it. Ooh. This Milky Base slime is such a thick and glossy slime to play with, but when I was touching it, it was a little sticky, so in the middle of the video I put an activator and it became better. It just needed a little activation and it was perfect. So you guys, this is the last slime. This is called Orange Popsicle, and this was my favorite slime. It was such a thick, pure slime, so I hope you enjoy this ASMR. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this ASMR and this review on this Slime Express review. In this part I found something in the slime, but it wasn't that big of a deal. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on those notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!